Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information. Where did Prophet ﷺ gathered with his companions in his early days to preach Islam? Your options are option A, Darul Arqam, or option B, Hira cave. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option A, Darul Arqam. Who took Prophet ﷺ to Makkah after nursing? And your options are option A, Halima, or option B, Ayman. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, Ayman. Who took care of our Holy Prophet ﷺ when he lost his mother at the age of 6 years? And your options are option A, his uncle Abu Talib, or option B, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. Who cleaned Masjid al-Aqsa with rose water? And your options are option A, Umar radiallahu anhu, or option B, Salahuddin Ayyubi. And your time starts now. The right answer is option B, Salahuddin Ayyubi. Which prophet was thrown into fire? And your options are option A, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, or option B, Prophet Musa alayhi salam. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option A, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. What is the meaning of Al-Aziz, one of the name of Allah Ta'ala? And your options are option A, the one who gives Iman, or option B, the Almighty. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, the Almighty. Which surah of the Quran is named after a woman? And your options are option A, Maryam alayhi salam, or option B, Aisha radiallahu anha. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option A, Maryam alayhi salam. Ayatul Kursi comes in which surah of the Quran? And your options are option A, Al-Kahf, or option B, Al-Baqarah. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, Al-Baqarah. What is the meaning of Al-Muhaymin, one of the name of Allah Ta'ala? And your options are option A, the perfection, or option B, the guardian, the witness. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, the guardian, the witness. And the last question, what was the first Islamic capital in the Islamic history? And your options are option A, Medina, or option B, Mecca. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option A, Medina. What was the most important battle in the second year after Hijrah which the Muslims won? And your options are option A, Battle of Badr, and option B, Battle of Uhud. So friends, if you know the right answer, you can comment in the comment box or wait for the next episode. So with this episode 10, we have learned 100 new information about Islam. Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.